Alright, so it's been a minute. My dog getting in the way. Hey, you gonna move? So, yeah, I was just gonna bring everybody up to date. Started putting the panels back on today. We were supposed to race tomorrow, but it looks like it's gonna be a rain out at all the tracks that I would try to run. So the differentials back in, the pinion angle set, all the angles on the trail arms and J-bar and shock springs. Watch out, dog. Mounted some tires here and there. Like I say, I never even washed this thing from the race. Still got a bunch of stuff laid out. Got another tire there. I got 10 gallons of fuel in it, and I got 10 more there. So I think I'm gonna be good for fuel. I got the front end there. We'll put that on, but I need to readjust and set the bowls on the carburetor. But my dad came over the other day. He helped me string the car and line everything up. My tow was out more than I had planned on running it, so I had to play with it and take that tie rod off quite a few times to get it all lined up and adjusted correctly and stuff like that. But yeah, we're pretty much ready. I was gonna come back out tonight and burn some midnight oil, I guess you could say, and finish by putting the front end on and setting the bowls, and then tomorrow clear my trailer off. And I was gonna clean the trailer off and load the car and go race, but it looks like, according to the racetracks, they're gonna be closed due to rainouts. So I'm gonna wrap it up for the night and go inside, and I made a whole lot of notes and changes, all kind of notes. I got about 9 pages worth of notes for all the settings, measurements, and everything that turned out to be the same or slightly different than what I had when we originally started. I was actually out buying parts today. I didn't like the pinion angle, so I got linked up with a gentleman that had a couple pull bars, and basically it's a straight rod, and it has Heim joints like this on each end, and it goes from the top of the rear differential, the rear end, to a spot on the chassis that keeps the rear end from wrapping over all the way. So it keeps the rear end, when it's set like this in the car, and when you give it gas it goes like this, and it just keeps it from going all the way, from my understanding. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish that up tomorrow, and I'm gonna make some more of these blocks right there. I have some old pallets that I got free that I'm doing different wood projects around the house, build stuff out back, kind of decoration stuff for birds and stuff like that. Oh, I got a light on in the back. Turn the work light off. So anyway, yeah, I'm not even gonna clean my garage today. I'm gonna do it all tomorrow. Once I get everything bolted and done, put the car back up on jack stands, sweep up, blow all the dust out, all that good stuff, and put all my tools away, that kind of stuff. I don't know if I showed everybody, but that's my dock that was out on my pond. Y'all probably seen it in other videos, and I finally got it out. Like I say, I got a bunch of pallet wood. I took pallets apart. There's the old tires that I hit the wall with that caused me to do all that work. It's been raining a lot. And there's the other one. So brand spanking new, first time on the track for the tires, first time on the track in, I don't know, 22 years, 23 years.